Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily prediction for Dow Jones and Tech 100. Yesterday again we were very spot on as I had predicted that Dow to go towards 33,850 and the top to be at 34,050. It exactly achieved both, and for Tech 100 we had a target of 13,940. It did go till 13,925. So I hope all of you have made some money in this. And now let's start the prediction. One humble request, friends. I need your support. Please share the channel across your network. That is a humble request from my side, and help and support the channel to grow. I am here to support you in each and every query or doubt you have in any of your trade related decision and discussion. I am here to for this, but I need a support that please share it across to the maximum and help and support the channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment also, friends. This is what is my motivation. At least put a thumbs up so that I can get something more fruitful every day, every time. So let's start the analysis with Tech 100. Tech 100 right now is trading again at the same level, 3940. This was the level I had shared with you yesterday that we are looking forward towards 3940. It is a good support level. Let's have a look. What does the chart say? So this is a 4-hour chart. Again, pretty much getting a good support here at around 3940 level. See this this is a 1 hour chart, and on a 1 hour chart the candle is consistently getting support from 3940 levels. However, the previous 1 hour candle can see higher highs, lower lows, and now it is trying to get a breakout. Now let's have a look at the 4 hour chart also. On a 4 hour chart the candle is red. Now the candle is red and it is in downtrend. You can see the top here. So this was the previous candle breakout was something which was very interesting to see, and it did go till 13,920, broke out the channel. However, for now, for today, if you ask me, 13,970, if you have to go long, you have to wait till 13,970. Then once it crosses 13,970, you can expect it to go towards 14,020 first target. So this is just I am giving you a brief. We are going to look at on daily charts in more detail. However, if you have to go long, you have to wait till 13,970. Till that time, please don't go long. And looking at the 4 hour candle, it has got a good support here at around 13,930 levels, and once it breaks 13,930, my target is going to be big again, and it is going to head towards 13,880 levels. Let me just zoom out things up, and we can see in detail where it could head towards. So looking at this has got the top and almost symmetrical pattern. See the top here, see the top here, head and shoulders formation. And looking at the bottom of this candle, we could expect that it might head, if it breaks 13,880, it will head towards 13,840 levels. If it breaks 13,880, and first resistance it is getting, as we saw, 3930 levels is getting a good resistance where we could see. So 3930 to 3970, you can hold on to yourself. Please control your emotions and don't trade between 13930, rather 3920 to 3970. Please avoid trading between 3920 to 3970. Spare these 50 points for any trading related decisions. You can make decisions once it is below 13920. Once it is below 13920, I will expect it to head towards 13880 as the first target, and then it will head towards 13,840 levels. After that, the sky is the limit, and we are going to get a good support only at 13,750 levels. So we're gonna look at and there is definitely the Fed minutes and the news we are all awaiting, and we might, the interest rate decision is also might be there. I am not sure, but yes, I am expecting that the news might affect the moves. And till the time, now looking at this 4 hour channel, one good thing I would like to share is, if you are expecting a bull, this is the bull for you. So that is why I said please wait for 13920 for it to break 13920. Once it breaks 13920, we could target 13880 and 13850 levels as first and second target, 13840 as first and second targets. After that, we have, the depth is too much and we could directly head towards 13750 levels. And till that time, you can hold on the upside. After 3970, you can again expect 14040 levels. So on the upside again, you can expect 14030 levels. So once it breaks 14030, again higher highs could be formed and we could expect further more towards 14880 and 14100 levels. So be watchful of those levels. Now let's have a look at on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the charts. And on the daily candle, already it has formed a lower low. A top is formed here at around 3980 levels. I think 3980 is the high which it saw today, and since then it has broke and it is trading in around 60 points range. So once it breaks this, we are going to hit 13880 levels, and once that is also taken away, we are going to hit 13840 and 13800 levels. Subsequently, we are going to hit. After that, the sky is the limit and 13700 is in the sight. Now looking at this formation, twin top is there, and we could clearly see that there is some symmetry which we could find out. I told you yesterday also, I'm telling you again, this is a twin top, this is a kind of symmetry formation, and if it breaks these levels, we are going to again hit towards these levels at 13700 levels, maybe today, tomorrow, or anytime. So we need to be very cautious while going long, and any long is suggested only above 13970 levels, after which we could head towards 14050 and above levels. So this is all about Tech 100. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What are the indicators are indicating? So the support we are getting at 13880 levels, that is what from the SMA lines. The R1 is on sell side, the MACD lines are on sell side. See that they are not diverging and they are not converging, almost running parallel. Stochastic is turning on a sell side. See, this crossover is happening, and once this crossover happens, we might see a good sharp drop. So looking at Williamson also, it is dropping, and considering this, I am bearish, and looking at the charts, I am bearish. We might see 13880 levels, and we might see 13840, 800 and below levels also. Be watchful, be careful, and trade accordingly. But yes, do spare 13920 to 13970, no trade zone. So let's move towards Dow Jones. Dow Jones is right now at around 13915 levels. Let's have a look at. So this is the daily candle. Daily candle is almost trading, and it is trading at the same level which it has opened around 33914 levels, and it is still indecisive, maybe waiting for some news, or maybe it could reverse from here too. So yes, it has got a good support at 33850 levels. Yesterday I told you it has got a good support here at 33850 levels. Somewhere here we have got a good support, and below which, once it breaks 33840, then only I will be expecting 33700 directly. Till the time it is in this zone, let's have a look what could be once. So what could be expected? I expect it to continue in this zone, that is 34,000 to 33,800. Now this channel, yesterday I told you that we will be trading in 34050 to 33,850. Now I am expecting 34,000 to 33,800 if it continues to trade in this channel. Anywhere if it takes away 33,800, it is going to head towards 33,700. If it takes 34,000, we are going to head towards 34,150 levels directly. So please be cautious between this, and let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. It might give us a good indication that where it is heading. Now looking at this, so sorry for my pathetic drawing, but yes, this is a channel which we are looking at probably, and that is what on a daily chart also I had indicated the same. On a 4-hour chart also it appears that any long is only suggested above 34,000 levels. Below 34,000 I won't expect it to, and rather you can say 33,970, or you can take 34,000 also only as a position to go long, and till 34,000 to 33,930 you can not you should not take any position between 33,930 to 34,000 levels. Between these levels don't take any position. Below this you can remain short, and with the target of 33,850 as first target and 33,820 as second target. So we could possibly hit towards 33,820 levels today, and maybe if it breaks 33,820 also, we are going to hit towards 33,700 levels, close to 33,700 levels. Now this is on a 4-hour chart, and once it breaks 34,000 we are again going to head towards 34,100 and 150 levels. So be watchful of these. Once it breaks 34,000 we can initiate a long, but please keep your stop loss strictly to 34,000 itself, and then only initiate a long, and if it is in profit, put the entry price as the stop loss. So on the long side I had shared with you 34,150 could be expected. Now let's have a look at the indicators. So getting a good support here at around 33,850 levels, that is what I had said. It is getting a good support from 33,850 from median lines. Our own is again on a sell zone, though it is green, but it is still on a sell side. And MACD lines are again diverging. The gap is increasing, and that is why I said on a sell. Stochastic is indicating a strong sell on a daily charts. As the divergence is more, it is heading down, the black line is heading down, the crossover has happened, and mostly we could expect a red day, and we could also expect that it might hit 33,820 and below levels, possibly towards 33,700 once again. So this is my expectation. But and yes, right now on this 4-hour chart you can expect that once it breaks 33,880 then only you should go short, and till that time you can at least hold your nerves and don't short. But because 33,930, as I have told that it is a good position to sell, it is already below 33,980, but you have got very less cushion, as 33,880 might give a strong resistance towards any downside, and below that yes we could go towards 33,850 and 33,820 levels, and below that the sky is open towards 33,700. So this is all about Dow Jones and Tech 100 from my side. If you have any queries, comments, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. Thank you very much. Put it in the comment box, and have a great and profitable trading session ahead. Thank you.